In this video, I'm going to show you how to create this viral caption in CapCut in simple steps. And this is very easy to create, so watch to the end of the video. So, I will be using this video for this tutorial. And I will add it to the timeline. So, add the video you want to use to the timeline. So, I'm going to go through the video and trim the parts I don't want off. Now that we have gotten the section of the video we need, first let's change the aspect ratio to YouTube Shorts or TikTok. So come and select the ratio button on preview window, then select 9:16 ratio. Now, our aspect ratio has been changed, but our preview is small, so we will change the layout to match it OS. We can see everything clear. So come and click on this icon here at the top. Then select vertical, and this is the appropriate layout when you are editing shorts in the 9:16 format. Now that our layout has changed, increase the size of the clip to fill the whole screen. So you should be aiming for something like this. And from here, we will add our caption. So go to the Captions tab, then click on Generate, and make sure everything is set to what you want. Now wait for the caption to be generated. Now you can edit the caption to how you want it. So, I'm going to change the font to a bold font. Now when you are done editing your text, go to Animation, and under Animation, you will have 4 tabs: the In Animation, Out Animation, Loop Animation, and the Captions animation. Then select the Captions tab, and all animations in the Captions tab can only be applied to captions. Now come to the search bar and search for single line. And this is the animation we will be using for this tutorial. So select it. And as you can see, the effects has been applied to the captions. So I will move mine a bit to the top and increase the size.
I have a psychology degree from Birkbeck, an MSc in research methods and...
Now you can move your caption to where you want, and depending on the background, the effect too will change. So this is how to create this viral caption in CapCut, and if you want more tutorial like this, then let me know in the comment section. See you in the next tutorial.